Many people tell me this. ISO clauses are confusing. ISO language is too technical. Only auditors understand ISO. Let me tell you something clearly. ISO clauses are not technical. They are not written for auditors. They are written for business leaders. ISO 9001 is not asking you to memorize clauses. It is asking you to manage your business systematically. Today I will explain ISO 9001 clauses in simple language. No clause reading, no standard book language, only real business meaning. Hi, I'm Sagar Naik, founder of Swades QMS. I work closely with MSMEs across manufacturing and service industries, and I see one common issue. Organizations implement ISO, but they don't understand what the clauses are actually asking and explain what the clause really means, what auditors actually expect, and how it looks in real life. Let's start. Clause 4, Context of the organization. Clause 4 sounds complicated, but it asks a very simple question. Do you understand your business? Auditors are not asking for essays. They want to know who are your customers, what do they expect, what problems affect your business, what internal and external factors impact quality. Example, an MSME identifies customer delivery pressure, raw material price fluctuation, skilled manpower shortage. They discuss these in meetings. That is clause 4, not documentation, awareness and understanding. Clause 5, leadership. Clause 5 is very important. It asks, is management involved or is ISO pushed only to the quality team? Auditors look for leadership involvement, clear responsibilities, customer focus. Example, top management attends management review. They discuss complaints, delivery issues, and process risk. Actions are assigned. That is clause 5. Leadership, ownership, not delegation. Clause 6, planning. Clause 6 talks about planning, especially risk based thinking. This does not mean complex risk registers. It means asking what can go wrong? What will we do about it? Example, risk, supplier delay. Action, alternate supplier approved. Risk, machine breakdown. Action, preventive maintenance. Quality objectives example, reduce rejection by 10%. Improve delivery performance. That is clause 6. Simple planning, practical thinking. Clause 7, support. Clause 7 talks about support. People, training, infrastructure, documents. ISO is asking, do people have what they need to do the job correctly? Example, a new operator joins. He is trained on work method, quality checks, safety points, training record maintained. Machines are calibrated. Documents are available. That is clause 7. Support for people, not pressure. Clause 8, operation. Clause 8 is the heart of ISO. It asks, how do you actually deliver your product or service? Auditors look at order review, production or service control, quality checks, handling changes. Example, customer order received, specifications reviewed, production follows standard process, in-process inspection done, final product delivered. That is clause 8. Controlled daily work, not heroic effort. Clause 9, performance evaluation. Clause 9 talks about performance. ISO asks, do you know how well your business is performing? Auditors look for monitoring, measurement, internal audits, management review. Example, company tracks rejection rate, on-time delivery, customer complaints, data is reviewed monthly, internal audits conducted. Management reviews results, that is clause 9, visibility and review. Clause 10, improvement. Clause 10 is about improvement, not perfection. Improvement. ISO asks, when something goes wrong, do you learn from it? Example, customer complaint received, root cause identified, corrective action implemented, effectiveness checked after 1 month. That is clause 10. Fixing the system, not blaming people. Why ISO clauses feel difficult? ISO clauses feel difficult because organizations try to copy templates, over document, impress auditors. ISO does not want that. ISO wants to see how do you run your business. If your business is well managed, ISO already exists. ISO just organizes it. One simple way to understand ISO. All ISO clauses ask only these questions. Do you understand your business? Are leadership involved? Do you plan for risk? Do people have support? Is work controlled? Do you review performance? Do you improve? If yes, you are following ISO. Let me say this clearly. ISO clauses are not technical. They are management questions. ISO 9001 is not a quality tool. It is a business management system. When clauses are understood, ISO becomes easy. When clauses are misunderstood, ISO becomes paperwork. At Swadesh, we focus on interpretation, not memorization. If this video helped you understand ISO clauses simply, follow Swadesh QMS. In upcoming videos, I will explain clause-wise auditor expectations, common clause mistakes, real audit questions, ISO implementation step by step. Comment clause if you want a practical clause-wise guide. Thank you for watching.